Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you for watching my videos. And if you are someone who are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so whenever I post a video, you will be notified. So recently we ordered some furniture from Ikea. Ikea is a global leader in life at home. Founded in Sweden, Ikea is now a worldwide retailer of affordable, well-designed products and solutions for every room in your home. So without any delay, let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 of the products because showing all of the products in one vlog would be a little longer. So in this video, I'm going to show you one chest of drawers, one chair which we have ordered for my daughter and some organizers. So stay tuned for that. Now Ikea has the furniture which makes a living better. Large or small, every family needs right furniture which can add comfort or we can say warmth to their home. And Ikea does the job for us. So if you want to renovate your home, then you must check out
Ikea products are often delivered flat packed to save our money and help the environment. They are designed to be easy to assemble, so we should be able to do it ourselves, making products even more affordable. So the very first one is the chair. If you still have any difficulty in assembling the furniture, on their website they have given every detail.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you.
It is quite comfortable. Gia really likes it. Now next one is Malm chest of 3 drawers. If you are someone who likes to organize your vanity, then this one is apt for you. They are also giving an instruction manual to assemble the furniture.
Every night, love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters.
This is how it looks. If you want to watch my vanity tour, comment me in the section below.
If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Here are some organizing boxes. Adding them to our home makes our everyday life easy and convenient.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you.
This is how it looks after assembling it.
So if you want to renovate your interior, then you must check out Ikea. I will put all the links in the description if you want to check out. One more thing, that we had fun assembling them. Ikea is creating a better everyday life for us. I hope you like my today's video. If you like my videos, you can like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll have definitely a great time together. Stay tuned for more such videos. Till then, bye everyone. Stay happy, stay safe.
Get you, you're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would.